อดเมียนการไปที่ไอ้ไทยก็ไม่ไปโคยถึงหน้ายังกระทือถึงนั้นอะไรตึบจ่าเด้อบนโคงได้จอดเชิญ
He said that before it destroy a lot, but he just also mentioned when he see the small like that.
นั่นไงลูกไหลโคย
And does he have money for us and also for the future?
I mean, ផែនការថាដូចជាមានសំលុយអីសម្រាប់ទុកពេលខូចថ្ងៃក្រោយអី They don't have save the money for the next maintenance or like that. But after they see the real, they will try to maintenance.
យើងប្រជុំกันនឹងខ្ញុំណែនាំតែបើបងប្អូនបានធ្វើវារៀបចំគណៈកម្មការហើយរឿងតាមឲ្យយកពីមើលខ្ញុំជុំទៅនោះ
นั่งไงเมียนปันไดยืนการเงียวไปจราไปแล้วไปยืนจัดใจที่มันทื่อแล้วยืนก็ในนั้นแล้วก็อ่างยืนอ่างแต่โคตรจะยืนทื่อโคตรยืนทื่อ
So they also become business also make a appointment and say we should take 20,000 real per hectare from the people. But of course they just make promise, but later on
They didn't do it.
they didn't do. But of course the commune also try to repair it when they see how broken or damage of them.
Do the farmers have a lot of benefits from the
គាត់សួរថា
project?
ប្រជាជនមានទទួលផលច្រើនទេពីទំនប់ហើយទ្វារទឹកនៅក្នុងតូចនេះ
ตัวพอจราได้
lot
Yeah, a lot.
จราพวกควันดำปลายดำไอ้ชนำดำ
เราต้องច្រោត
เราครั้งเราท้ายดำคลังอ่ะ
តែเราអត់
เราอดตึก
they can get a lot of benefit but of course because the last year and this year not yet have enough yet.
But still benefits.
Yes, still benefit.
Then they should try also to keep a tick from the benefit
ថាបដៃគួរ
for
តែ
me.
មានគម្រោងសំចៃទុកដកហូតតិចតួចតិចទុក
อัน
ជល
นั้นยังถือได้ปันไดตอนหายไปอดจุกใจ
He also tried to do it, but it's not successful. But however, after he see you very broke damage, they always collect.
Yeah.